Humans are always going to be essential. I think the task will change, but humans will always be essential. And I think that we talked earlier about the prompts. We need to make sure we're asking the right questions, that we are expecting and laying out the right problem that needs to be solved. But humans and the creativity and the teamwork and the problem solving are still going to be essential.
There are still going to be many areas where humans are going to be much better in doing it, and then they will be able to make a much better judgment and decision where AI cannot. And there are areas where AI will do better than what humans can do. You cannot flex the human capacity to work 24/7. AI can do it.